Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have something delicious and creative in store for you. The art of making a perfect bento box. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, stick around because we've got some fantastic tips and ideas for you. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at some of the amazing bento boxes you can create. They're not just tasty but also visually stunning. Alright, let's start by gathering our ingredients. The key to a great bento box is balance, both in terms of flavor and nutrition. Cooked rice, protein, e.g., grilled chicken, tofu, or shrimp. Tamagoyaki, Japanese omelette. Assorted vegetables, e.g., carrots, cucumber, bell peppers. Nori seaweed sheets, pickles or kimchi, for a little kick. Fruit, e.g., strawberries, grapes. Garnishes, e.g., sesame seeds, microgreens, soy sauce and wasabi. Now, let's start prepping our ingredients. We'll begin with the rice. While the rice cools, let's work on our protein. Next, the veggies. Get creative with your vegetable choices, and don't forget to blanch or lightly steam them for a vibrant color. Now comes the fun part, assembling the bento box. There are no strict rules here. It's all about your creativity. Remember, presentation is key. Take your time arranging everything nicely. To make our bento box even more appealing, let's add some cute decorations. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted bento box that's both nutritious and delicious. Now, we're taking bento box making to the next level with 5 creative and mouth-watering bento box ideas that you'll love. Idea 1. Sushi bento box. Let's kick things off with a sushi bento box, perfect for sushi lovers. Assembling sushi rolls, cutting them, and arranging them in the bento box. There you have it, a sushi bento box that's perfect for a lunchtime treat or a picnic in the park. Idea 2. Vegan bento box. For all our vegan friends out there, here's a delicious and nutritious vegan bento box. Preparing vegan sushi rolls, tofu stir-fry, and fresh fruit. This vegan bento box is not only colorful but also packed with plant-based goodness. Idea 3. Mediterranean bento box. Let's take a Mediterranean vacation with this delectable bento box. Assembling falafel, tabbouleh, hummus, and pita bread in the bento box. A taste of the Mediterranean in a bento box. It's like a mini vacation for your taste buds. Idea 4. Kids bento box. Parents, this one's for you. A fun and balanced bento box that your kids will adore. Creating animal-shaped sandwiches, cheese, and fruit kebabs. Picky eaters? No problem. These adorable bento boxes will have them asking for more. Idea 5. Dessert bento box. And finally, for those with a sweet tooth, we have a dessert bento box that's pure indulgence. Making mini cheesecakes, chocolate-covered strawberries, and assorted sweets. Who said bento boxes are just for savory dishes? Treat yourself to a dessert bento box. You deserve it. There you have it, 5 creative bento box ideas to inspire your culinary adventures. You might think you know everything about them, but trust me, there's a lot more to discover. So, let's dive right in with 10 unknown facts about bento boxes. Fact 1. Bento origins. Fact number 1. Did you know that bento boxes have been around for over 1,000 years? They were first created during Japan's Kamakura period as a simple way to carry rice into the fields. Over time, they evolved into the beautiful and intricate boxes we see today. Fact 2. Bento varieties. Fact number 3. Bento boxes come in all shapes and sizes. From single-tiered to multi-tiered, you can find a bento box for any occasion. Some even have special compartments for sauces and condiments. Fact number 4. Regional varieties. Japan's various regions have their unique bento styles, known as ekiben. These regional bentos reflect local ingredients, flavors, and traditions. Ever tried the Hokkaido seafood bento or the Kyoto vegetarian bento? They're incredible. Fact number 5. Bento box art. Did you know that bento boxes are sometimes transformed into works of art? It's called kierobin, or character bento. Talented bento artists create stunning edible masterpieces that look like famous characters, animals, or even landscapes. Fact number 6: Health and balance. Bento boxes are designed to provide a balanced meal with all the essential nutrients. The compartments help control portion sizes, ensuring you get a healthy mix of carbs, proteins, and veggies in every box. Fact number 7: Worldwide popularity. Bento boxes have gained immense popularity worldwide. You can find them not only in Japan but also in many other countries. They've become a global symbol of convenient and delicious dining. Fact number 8: Bento box etiquette. In Japan, there are unwritten rules about eating bento, like never sticking your chopsticks upright in the rice, which resembles a funeral ritual. And slurping your noodles? Totally acceptable. Fact number 9: Eco-friendly bento. In recent years, there's been a shift toward eco-friendly bento boxes made from biodegradable materials. It's great to see the traditional bento evolving to be more sustainable. Fact number 10: Guinness World Record. Did you know that the world record for the largest bento box is held by Japan? It measured a whopping 82.15 square meters and contained over 1,000 individual servings. That's one colossal bento. Bento boxes aren't just for Earth, they've made their way to space. Japanese astronauts often enjoy specially designed space bento. It's a taste of home, even in the cosmos. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious content. Thanks for joining me on this bento box journey, and I'll see you next time for more culinary delights.